Plan your first 3 comic chapters, like a mini-series. Most new comic creators make the same mistake. They try to plan a massive 50-volume saga before they've even drawn chapter 1, and then they burn out. But here's the secret. Instead of chasing an epic, plan your first 3 chapters like a mini-series. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step so you can finish your story, test it, and actually build an audience. Step 1, Act 1, the pilot. Your first chapter is your pilot episode. Think of it like Netflix. If the pilot doesn't grab attention, people won't binge the rest. So what do you need? Show your main character in action, reveal what makes them compelling, and end with a hook or twist. Example, Death Note. Light finds the notebook. One strong chapter can instantly hook readers. Step 2, Act 2, the hook. Chapter 2 is where you deliver on the promise. The reader is hooked. Now raise the stakes. Show conflict, deepen emotion, and bring in side characters or the main villain. What's escalating or going wrong? Example, Spy X Family. Fake family starts to feel real. Act 2 is like the bridge between hype and payoff. Step 3, Act 3, the delivery. Chapter 3 is all about payoff. Give readers a satisfying choice, change, or confrontation, and tease a bigger arc. What decision or realization happens? Example, Jujutsu Kaisen. Yuji eats the cursed finger. 3 chapters can feel like a full mini arc. Killer insight. Here's the mistake beginners make. They hide the real plot for 4 or 5 chapters, thinking they're building suspense. But readers drop off fast. Pros hook you in chapter 1 and drip feed backstory later. Don't wait. Start with the plot now. Step 4, think in 3 chapter units. Here's the mindset shift. Don't think of your comic as a never-ending saga. Plan in 3 5-chapter story blocks. They're easier to finish, perfect for testing your concept, and give you natural endpoints for seasons. This system helps you finish and grow. Pro tips show backstory in action, not 10 pages of lore. Don't start with a prologue dump. Start with your character doing something. Use visual storytelling, body language, symbols, environment, not endless dialogue. Start strong. Show, don't tell. So now you know how to plan your first 3 chapters like a mini-series and avoid the burnout of chasing a 50-volume epic. Grab the free worksheet below to map your own chapters today. And if you want to go deeper, check out my next video. Format matters. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.